Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. So today we're going to be looking at Celestia, Tier, and Atom, which is Cosmos. Good or bad? Well, we'll have a look. As you may remember, a subscriber really wants me to do these two coins and two others on a kind of review. So we'll have a little sort of a little dive into it now. So we're going to take a look at them and see if be something I'll be interested in adding to my portfolio or not. Quickly before we do that, let's have a look at the crypto top 30, top 40. Things are down slightly today on the most part. Cardano slightly up. But I think one of the big moves is Casper. So Casper is now up to 29th. It's got a good chance of cracking that top 20 very, very soon, I would imagine. Just phenomenal, 45% up on the week, just over 13 cents right now. It has taken Crow and Ethereum Classic, although I don't rate Ethereum Classic anyway myself, to be perfectly honest. It's catching up with the likes of Monero and Atom, which is what we're going to be talking about today. Will Casper flip Atom by the end of this video even? I don't know. So we'll have a look at Celestia to begin with. Gone the wrong way. Just pull that up. So the first modular blockchain network. I actually don't mind either of these projects. Celestia is a modular data availability network that securely scales with the number of users, making it easy for everyone to launch their own blockchain. That's kind of interesting. Launching their own blockchains that is quite an interesting thing. Deploy fast, scale, customize, be sovereign. So if we explore Celestia, explore the ecosystem, which you can come and do, obviously click on the website yourselves, have a little flick through that. Use Tier, pay for blob space, secure the network, and participate in governance. Run a light node if you wish. So how it works, Celestia is a minimal blockchain that only orders and publishes transactions, but does not execute them. By decoupling the consensus and application execution layers, Celestia modularizes the blockchain technology stack and unlocks new possibilities for decentralized application builders. And then it gives you like a kind of comparison between traditional monolithic architecture to Celestia's enabled modular architecture. Again, feel free to come and have a bit of a read of this. You can join the community, and there's a blog as well. I think they've been in Istanbul recently, so you can have a little flick through that. If you look at the team, meet the team. So they're on a mission to change the way that blockchains and decentralized applications are built, making them more secure, scalable, and sovereign. We envision a world where global communities have the power to self-organize without being burdened by existing power structures. Don't we all, Celestia? Don't we all? So the team, they look fully doxed to me. Go and obviously, by all means, come and check out all their LinkedIn's, Twitters, and things like that. Looks like quite a big team. From cursory research, it seems okay. I don't have any real problems with that. We'll look at the price at the minute. It's $5.95. So 26.7% of the token is unlocked. Its next unlock will unlock another 17.6, and it is still 55.6% locked. I believe so. The next unlock is what? Is it 11 months, 14 days away? The tokenomics don't look awful. I mean, they don't look terrible. Is there potential, though, that there's some big bag holders here who could potentially dump? Because it's not been out particularly long. If we look at it on Coin Gecko, so its total supply is 1 billion. I don't mind that. That's not too high. Its market cap currently is 855 million. So what's that? 10x is about 8.5 million. Possible. It's possible. It's doable, I would imagine. That would make it what? 59.20. Doesn't seem terrible. The chart looks pretty good, actually. As I said, I think it launched Halloween. I think that was the first day that the token was out. Was Halloween? Yeah, Halloween launched at $2.18. So it's, what is it now? It's 5.92. So it's not awful. I don't mind it. Would I buy it? Probably not. I think there's still better X's. I still think there's better gains in the marketplace than Celestia. Yeah, I mean, I'd rank it maybe like a a 4 out of 10. Like 1 being like low, awful, 10 being the best. If I had to choose between getting this right now and Casper, even after the pump, I'd probably still be looking at getting to Casper. It's okay. I don't think it's anything to write home about. It's not something I'm going to be. It doesn't excite me. I'm not over the moon about it. It doesn't get me going. And then we've got Cosmos. So built on the interchain, build a blockchain using the best-in-class open-source libraries and services. Obviously, this coin's been out obviously a bit longer. Enter in a universe of connected services. So there's 249 apps and services and growing, which is good. So it shows that it's being used. And there's $53 billion digital assets under management. Cosmos app and services connect using IBC, the Internet Blockchain Communication Protocol. This innovation enables you to freely exchange assets and data across sovereign, decentralized blockchains. The heart of the interchain, serving as the economic center of the interchain, the Cosmos Hub is a blockchain that provides vital ecosystem services. So you've got a marketplace, secure provider, router, custodian. Again, feel free to flick through all this yourselves, because I know that obviously, you can have much more of a deeper dive. You've probably got a lot more time to then really go through everything, as opposed to maybe a 10-minute YouTube video. But secured by the Atom, in return for securing the services of the Cosmos Hub, transaction fees and staking rewards are distributed to Atom stakers. So obviously you can stake the token itself, and then again there's a few more bits and pieces on the website. The most trusted way to build value. So it's one of these green tokens, essentially 99% lower carbon footprint. So blockchain tech that fully scales. Obviously, I said before, I think there's going to be a big push onto green tokens and that kind of narrative. Low fees, very, very good. Fast transactions, obviously very, very good. Again, like I say, just have a little flick through yourself. If we look at the About section, I think this gives a bit more of an idea. The Cosmos Network is a decentralized network of independent, scalable, and interoperable blockchains, creating the foundation for a new token economy. Before the Cosmos Network, blockchains were siloed and unable to communicate with each other. They were hard to build and could only handle a small number of transactions per second. Cosmos solves some of the hardest blockchain problems of scalability, usability, and interoperability. The Cosmos SDK is a developer-friendly modular framework, each powered by a Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus algorithm, such as Tendermint BFT, allowing developers to fully customize their decentralized applications and focus on business logic. At Cosmos, we're building the internet of blockchains, join our growing network, and plug into the most powerful blockchain ecosystem. But the thing is, I think about this is, doesn't Chainlink do a lot of that? Quant certainly does, right? Quant's probably the most interoperable, with its overledger cryptos out there. Yes, I'm obviously more bullish on Quant. I'm a Quant holder. But would I be going for maybe looking for Quant instead? Yeah, price is cheaper, $9.71. Most of the tokens are already unlocked. Public fundraise was 44.1% and 42.8% of them unlocked. So total supply 374 million. So I like the scarcity of this. I think that is slightly better than tiers. And then if we look at the CoinGecko chart, again, 964. The chart looks okay. It's done. It had its bull run, but it sort of also peaked a bit later on as well, which is interesting. But then you're coming down there. So what did it get to? It got to $44.45 at its high. Current market cap was, what was the current market cap? It was over $1 billion. Yeah, $2.8 billion. So to 10x it'd be a $28 billion market cap, making it $96.40. I still think that Quant would be the way to go, because I think Quant still has a lower market cap. I think Quant's got a 10 to 15x in it without too many issues. It's okay. Again, it's not terrible. Both of these projects are not terrible, but I'm not going to be rushing out to buy either of them. I think that Casper, Hello, I think that Myria, I think Quant, CSPR, HBAR, I think will have better returns than these. So I wouldn't put anyone off, but in my particular opinion, I wouldn't really be interested in getting either. Obviously, though, if you are holders of these coins and you have information that you might want to share with us, I'm happy to make an updated video in the future to talk about it, or at least have your comments up on the screen. We'll have a little chat, and I'll check what you say out. But no, I mean, like, They don't seem to be terrible. I don't think they're cut rug pulls or anything like that. I think they're going to be absolutely fine. They'll probably do absolutely fine in the bull run when all the big money starts piling in, and obviously retail as well. But no, for me, I wouldn't purchase either of those. I would be sticking to the main coins I currently have in my portfolio. I wouldn't be looking to add either of those, unfortunately. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button. I always appreciate you can do that. I'm sorry if my eyes look a bit sullen. I am so tired. It's been a long day. But as always, I want to make sure we get a video out every day for you, like we promised. So thank you for being here with us today. Subscribe if you can. We've just hit over 1,700 subscribers now, so that's fantastic. So the next milestone will be to hit 1,800. We're hoping to get 2,000 before Christmas Day, which will be absolutely fantastic. So thank you very much if you decide to subscribe. Comment below, like I said before, anything you want to say about these projects or crypto in general. Always good to hear other people's points of view. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing, have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic evening. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye.